What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com, and we got
Carla.
Carla's here. We are going to be making a keto pizza. I am so excited about this. She's seen me literally like jumping around like a child because I really love pizza. Unfortunately though, most pizzas are not filled with things that are really supporting our body. And let's be real, they're easy to eat. Alright? You can literally buy a whole, I know when I was in high school, university, I would buy a whole box of pizza, large pizza, extra large pizza, and eat it all. Now we're going to allow you to do that, but without the negative ramifications, alright? Alright, so we got your typical pizza ingredients, alright? Feeling like I'm an Italian. So we got the Philadelphia cream cheese. Alright, we got some pizza sauce, almond flour. This is a key ingredient with the keto pizza because most pizzas, right, 99.9% of them, they're just using the regular flour, which leads to that blood sugar increase. You can never go wrong with almond flour, right? You're not gonna get those crazy spike ups. And we got the cheese, all right, some pepperoni. You can pick any type of meat topping. If you don't do pepperoni, you know, you do beef, you can do chicken, whatever you want, but we're doing pepperoni. And eggs, all right? Let's get cooking. All right, let's get started on the pizza. So we are going to get 1 ounce of cream cheese, cut that up with a knife, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, put them in the microwave for 45 seconds. All right. Then once it's all done, you're gonna mix the cream cheese, mix the mozzarella cheese together like so. All right. You're basically gonna turn it into like a ball, essentially. Then we're gonna get the baking powder. So 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Put that in the mixing bowl. We don't got a mixing bowl, it's just a regular bowl. 1 egg, you're gonna crack that open, throw it in, and then you're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic to the mix, all right? And just mix it up, all right? You want it to just be yellow completely, or more like a manila color. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of almond flour. And this is the key ingredient, guys. Don't forget the almond flour. You're not using regular flour because we don't want the blood glucose increase. All right, so almond flour is gonna keep your blood sugar stable. All right, so you mix that up, and then boom, you want to make it into a ball. All right, so you see we got that there. Zooming in. So we're now gonna take the rolling pin, or first grab some parchment paper, guys, and you can layer it. So you can put some underneath and put some on top. Grab the rolling pin, and you're gonna literally roll it into a big circle. All right. You don't want a square pizza. This ain't square slices. We want the round, nice triangular pieces. So you're gonna make it into a circle. All right. So you're gonna take your time with this. Fortunately, she's doing it. If this was up to me, I'd be struggling. I would not be able to do this. So, you know, make sure you take your time with it. Don't rush, and you can like cut off the little edges with your fingers, rip the pieces off until it's completely circular. All right, now we're gonna grab some sauce. All right, we gotta add that sauce, and you're gonna just take some and basically spread it all across the pizza. All right, I'm not gonna tell you how much you need to add, but like how much ever you think is enough for you. Some people like more sauce, some people like less. So it's really up to you and your preferences. All right, and then you can take, we're using pepperoni, but you can literally add whatever toppings you want. You can add beef, you can add broccoli, corn, anything. All right, so you can make it as good as you want it to be based on what your preferences are. All right, so once that is all done,
Then you're gonna add some more cheese. All right, so not only is the crust made out of cheese, we're adding more cheese. So this is a real cheesy pizza. So if you are dairy intolerant, make sure you got some digestive enzymes or something of the sort so you can actually digest this food properly, because you know you'll be on the toilet for probably an hour or so if you can't handle the dairy. So put that in the oven now. It's gonna be in there for about 10 minutes. All right, 10-15 minutes, and boom, there you have it.
All right, guys, this pizza is complete. It is finished. Like, just look at this. Look at it. You can't even tell that this is keto. This looks like some regular pizza, all right? But does it taste like regular pizza? That is the question. That's to be determined, right? Cheers. Whoa. This is, how much do I gotta pay you for this? Do I gotta pay you?
Good.
How much? Like $3 per slice? Yo, guys, this is amazing. This doesn't even taste like you know, people say, oh, it's keto, it's not gonna taste good, it's gonna taste funny. This tastes exactly like the same pizza that you're eating that you feel guilty about after, that's keeping you stuck, all right? Like, listen, if there is one recipe that you need to follow through with that we've given you, follow this keto pizza recipe. You will not be disappointed. All right, guys? Give it a try. Let us know how it is if you enjoyed it. If you passed it on to someone and they enjoyed it, let us know. I'd love to hear about it, all right? Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.